Just finished doing a mini detail package on this. Always cleaning the inner rim, getting all the brake dust off of it, out of it, and using the rim, using favorite tool. It's right here. You can do a whole lot with that. We're here in Sequim, Washington, in Sherwood Village, over by the lodge. Leave that open. Get the interior. Look at that door. Door jambs always. All of the rubber. It's treated inside and out. Plastic. It protects it for a long time. Even this rubber and plastic on the outside gets restored and treated for the weather. You know, once a year, every 6 months to a year, you get the mini detail package. Keeps your car from depreciating, going bad. Cars need restoration every now and then. 2, if you keep them in the garage, it helps. But if they're outside a lot, then you guys should get them done a little bit more, maybe twice a year, maybe 3 times a year. Shampooed the carpets in here. Smells really good. Some light pet hair removal. We try to get every detail. Did some shampooing back here. Get the pet hair out. And all you do is just tell your friends and friends and such. It's simple to get in contact with us. It's Google or Facebook or YouTube. The Car Wash Man, Port Angeles-Sequim Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man. Just that simple. And then there's the Faithful Angel. She has a cleaning and pet service. Faithful Angel pet care and cleaning services. If you leave in town, she'll take care of your pets, house sit for you, pick up the mail, water the plants, walk your dog, cat, feed your cats. She cleans houses very well. She's a detailer, so you know it's going to get done well. And professional window washing. We have professional window washing equipment. And we do houses and businesses also too. And you guys have a great day.